What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and to this video in which I wanted to do a quick update on GMT or Stepn, whatever you want to call it. I mean, it's always like, it used to be called the green metaverse token. I think it's still down here, yeah. But that used to be right here as well. But obviously it's used on the Stepn platform or Stepn decentralized app, and GMT is the token used on that app. So if we compare yesterday with today, the volume is actually down a little bit, but yesterday the volume was at like extreme levels, like 5 billion. And it might be interesting to see what happened right here. So here we saw with this well, second bull run, I guess we should call it, because the first one, or no, this was actually the first one, but I considered this quite a big bull run as well. But if we compare the volume right now with that, while the volume is going down, the price does not tend to go up. So we would really need to see the volume growing again, and then we might be able to get up a second bullish leg. So quick little update. Yesterday's analysis was pretty good, I'd say. Set this price target when price was down here. We touched at 3.8 exactly. It was a very strong and quite a clear resistance level as well. So we touched that. Now we took a pretty clear break retest here of 3.35, and the main thing we're looking for right now, or basically two things. First of all, the volume growing again so that there's more momentum in the price, but the main thing we're looking for technically is to break above 3.8. So I had a little bit of trouble with designating a new target because GMT does like to follow 0.4 levels. So what I mean with that is like 3.8 and then 0.4 more would be 4.2. And then afterwards 4.6 and then afterwards 5.0, which does make sense because 5.0 is a big psychological resistance level as well. But I chose not to follow that completely. I think it is more likely that 3.8, if we break that we'll actually find some resistance at 4.0, just because that's a psychological resistance level as well. But I'd say if we can actually close above 3.8, that we were also able to get up to this level between 4.4 and 4.5. So that would be my price target. So do I think it's possible? Yes, I think it's going to be hard to do it today, but in the next week, it's definitely possible. I mean, GMT has shown real strength in the last few months. But the main thing, I mean, it's just looking at the volume going up again. For me, at least, that's a big point, and it's slowly going up again, and breaking 3.8. If that happens, a lot is possible. But the other scenario basically is, and that's both possible. It's just right now, if we actually drop down to 3.15. The main thing I'm trying to say is the main thing we should do is stay above $3. So this level here between $3 and 3.15 is actually really important, because that's the level, that's the benchmark I'd say we have for us to consider GMT as bullish. If we break down that level, we'll probably drop down to 2.6 technically, but that would also mean that this bull run is over. So it's really key to hold above 3.15. As long as we do like something like this on top of that, it's all good. Obviously, it would be better to just instantly do this, but it's quite it would be quite logical to actually see it drop down first, consolidate for a little before doing something like this. Excuse me, I hope it wasn't too hard. But yeah, that's basically my update and my analysis on GMT. So if you do have any questions about the analysis or anything I said, please let me know down in the comments. As for now though, thank you all for watching and listening, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.